I'm on board the Viking Villa and I'm in the beautiful stateroom DV4004. Let's go take a look at this stateroom and see what's inside.
Let's head into the stateroom. Once again, this is Deluxe Veranda 4004 located at the front of the ship. As we walk in, you'll see that we have the bed set up as 2 twin beds as I was traveling with my friend Sherry. We're gonna head right through to check out that beautiful view. This was where our embarkation was in Amsterdam. And of course, Sherry's outside enjoying that view right away, just taking it all in. Each room comes with a bathrobe and slippers that is great for wearing down to the spa, which is included on board the Viking Villa. And then we'll take a look at the little living room area, and in particular this painting that was in our room. I love that they've included a painting by a youth from Vietnam. It's these small details that makes Viking really special. On the desk, you're going to find water that's refilled twice daily by your room attendant, as well as your quiet boxes used for tours. Each stateroom has an abundance of power outlets, including European, US, USB, and USB-C, and you can find these in various places around the room. Each room includes an espresso machine, so you can enjoy a nice coffee in the morning, and of course has ample storage space, which for 2 women traveling together was enough for us to store all of our belongings. Let's now take a look at the bathroom. Included are great amenities, which included Freya shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. Also included are heated floors, which are such a treat, and this amazing shower with great water pressure and really hot water. All staterooms include 24-hour room service and a room service breakfast menu. Hit pause if you want to look at the options, and you can always request additional things just by writing them on the card. Included in the 24/7 room service are some light meal options as well as some full meals. So if you don't feel like leaving your stateroom, feel free to order in, or you can just order an afternoon or evening snack. Personally, I suggest ordering up glasses of wine and a cheese plate to end each day. Let's take one more look at the beautiful views you'll get outside of your veranda. Remember that every stateroom on Viking Ocean has a veranda view, and this is the view of Flum in Norway, which was the last stop on our sailing. The staterooms are just one of the many amazing spaces on the Viking Villa. Every space is set up to be a beautiful conversational living room or relaxing area for you to take in the destination that you're visiting. Just check out some of these spaces. I will be releasing a full Viking Villa tour in the coming weeks, so look for that. My name's Melissa Baum. I'm the River Cruise Queen. I help Canadians and Americans book the most amazing river cruise and small ship luxury ocean cruises. Please give me a like, a follow, and hit that notification button to see my upcoming videos.